This was the last question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Sir, is it 1/5?
What we want? More of 1 minus Z1. ठीक है ना क्वेश्चन? Now simplify it. Now magnitude of this complex number is 1. Sin square k pi by 10 plus cos square k pi by 10. This quantity is 1. Finally, this value is this much. So consider this. One minus Z1. Put k equal to 1. How many terms? 9 terms. To the power 9. Sin pi by 10. That will be positive. Sin pi by 10 is positive. So mode of that is into sin 2 pi by 10. To sin 3 pi by 10. 4 pi by 10. Is 1. This value is 1. Now sine 9 pi by 10 is same as sine pi by 10. It's pi minus pi by 10, pi minus 2 pi by 10, pi minus 3 pi by 10, pi minus 4 pi by 10. This quantity is 2 to the power 9 into sine pi by 10 into sine 2 pi by 10 sine 3 pi by 10 to sine 4 pi by 10. Whole square. Okay, got it? This is 1. The value of this term is 1. There won't be any more because the angle is in between 0 to pi. All the angles are in between 0 to pi. This is 1. Sine 9 pi by 10 is sine pi by 10. 9 pi by 10 is pi minus pi by 10. Sine 2 pi by 10, sine 3 pi by 10, sine 4 pi by 10. So, whole square. That equals. Now further, sine 4 pi by 10. Sine 5 pi minus 4 pi pi. Okay. Can I write it? 5 pi minus pi is 4 pi. This is pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 minus theta is cos pi by 10. Sine 3 pi by 10. Sine 5 pi minus 2 pi by 10. 5 pi minus 2 pi, 3 pi. That is pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 minus theta is cos 2 pi by 2. So this value is for this is s equals 2 to the power 9 into sine pi by 10 cos pi by 10 into sine 2 pi by 10 cos 2 pi by 10 whole square. So here 2, here 2, 4, 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 4. Correct? 2 to the power 5 into sine 2 pi by 10 into sine 4 pi by 10 whole square to the power 5 into sine 36 into sine 72. Pi by 10 is 18, 72. Sine 72 is cos 18. Sine 36 and cos 18. Sine 36 is 10 minus 2 root 5. This is JEE advanced question. If you don't know how to find the value, I will tell you. Whole square. 2. 2 square, 2 square, 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 8. 1 by 2 cube. Once you check the calculation, this is the same value, no? Sine 36, 10 minus 2 root 5, 2 by 4, cos 36, cos 18, 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Correct. 2 to the power 2, to the power 2, to the power 4, or 8. Correct. So 10 minus 2 root 5 into 10 plus 2 root 5. So that equals 100 minus 20.
Yes, sir.
100 minus 20 is how much?
80 by 2 cube.
80.
80 by
2 cube, 10. Yes, sir.
This 10. Here the answer given. This 2011 question. No. Correct. They have given this quantity divided by 10.
Divided by 10.
The answer is 10, correct.
Yes, sir.
Basically, in the question, they have given this by 10 is how much? The answer given is 1. Okay, so you know how to find the value of cos 18 and sin 36? The semi-standard angle we need to remember 15 degree, 18 degree, that's it. 15, 18, 36. So if we know 18 degree, we can find 36.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you show how to find 18 degree?
Okay. First you see it. Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
18 degree. See, this is based on this. I'll tell you many questions. How to simplify? You can convert it in different form. All are based on 10th roots of unity. How to find 18 degree? Theta equal to 18. 5 theta equal to 90 degree. 3 theta equal to opposite sine both sides.
Sine 3 theta equal to cos 2 theta.
Cos 2 theta. 3 sine theta.
Minus 4 sine
4
theta.
sine cube theta.
1 minus 2 sine.
So we are getting a cubic equation in sine theta.
Yes, sir.
3 to 5. Sine theta equal to 1 satisfies it. But sine theta cannot be 1.
Yes, sir.
Sine theta equal to 1. Whenever we come across higher degree equation, there will be some simple root. Okay. So sine theta equal to 1 satisfies it. So sine theta minus 1 will be a factor. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the other factor will be 4 sine square theta minus here minus 1. Just adjust first term and last term. 4 sine cube theta plus 1. Now minus 2 sine square theta minus 4 sine square theta. So V1 plus 2 sine theta. Automatically the other will be adjusted. Take it. 4 sine cube theta minus 4 sine square theta plus 2 sine square theta minus 2 sine theta minus sine theta minus 2 sine theta. Correct. So corresponding to this, sine theta 1, sine theta cannot be 1 because theta is 18. We have 4 sine square theta plus 2 sine theta minus 1 equal to 0. Sine theta equal to minus b t square minus 4 is 16 by 8 20 4 outside 2
root 5.
minus 1 plus minus root 5 and
Yes.
4.
Yes,
Sine,
sir.
sine 18 cannot be negative, it is positive. Root 5 minus 1 by 4 is sine 18. So we want cos 18. So by triangle we can find
Yes, sir.
root 5 minus 1. It is 4. This side will be how much? 16 minus this whole square. 6 minus 2 root 5. 10
And plus
plus 2 root 5. Root of 10 plus 2 root 5. Same thing we got.
yes, sir.
So cos 18 is root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by
4.
by 4. Now we want sine 36. 2 sine 18 cos 18.
Yes, sir.
So by this way we can find But in this case, because this is previous year, 2009, 2011 questions, you should know how to find the value of the angle. But if you don't remember, but it's better to remember sine 15 degree, 18 degree, that's it.
36.
Only 15, 18. 36 we can find.
Yes, sir.
Not
2 sine
36.
26 cos 36.
36 is multiple of 18.
Yes, sir.
So
Sine
15
22.
degree and 18 degree. These two. Shall I rub it? Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Ishaq,
Yes, sir.
just use the formula and find the sum of this series. If I twist the question a little, can you use the formula here? Can we? Yes or not? Yesterday you told something, na? Sine mb by 2. I tried many times to remember. But I
Yes,
forget.
sir.
But I forget. If you combine all three subjects, the entire subject, you can't remember all these formula. Here the formula, but formula works for to certain level. If you
Yes,
know the
sir.
basics, if you know the basics, after that one can think. Here we can apply our method. Z1 equal to cos theta into e to the power I theta. Z2 equal to cos square theta into
E power 2 I theta.
2I theta. Now we can find the sum. Zn equal to cos n theta into e to the power n I theta. I twist a question little, formula will not work. But we should remember the basic formula. So that subject will be interesting. Based on that, we should be able to solve. Now S is imaginary part of Z, where Z equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus 2 Zn. So Z equal to, here A is this, cos theta into e to the power I theta, A into R. R is same as A, R to the power n, for ni theta. This will be in GP. A into R
Yes,
to the
sir.
power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Cos theta into e to the power I theta minus 1. Now we have to separate its real part and imaginary part. So what will be its conjugate? Cos theta into, what will be its conjugate? Conjugate of denominator part.
Cos theta e power I theta plus 1.
Not plus 1.
Cos theta e power
cos
minus
theta
I.
e power I theta minus 1 minus cos theta e power I theta minus 1.
Cos theta e power minus I theta minus 1.
Yes. Cos theta, I told you whether it is in Cartesian form or polar form or whichever form. For conjugate, just replace I by minus I. That's it. I will show you. Here, let me write it. Cos theta into e to the power minus I theta minus 1 by cos theta into e to the power minus I theta. We have a complex number either in polar form or Cartesian form. To find conjugate, just replace I by
Minus
how
I.
much? Minus I. I will show you here. Shaidur Rahman is there or not? Shaidur Rahman? No. See, let me explain it. Cos theta into cos theta plus I sin theta minus 1. This is our complex number. So this is cos square theta minus 1 plus I sin theta cos theta. So what will be Z conjugate? Cos square theta minus 1 minus I sin theta cos theta. Cos theta again outside. Cos theta minus I sin theta. Minus 1. That is cos theta into e to the power minus I theta. Isn't it? This is cos minus theta plus I sin minus theta. Cos minus theta is cos theta, sin minus theta is minus sin. Got the same thing? This is Z. That is this whole complex number. Conjugate of this. Just replace whether in Cartesian form or polar form. To find conjugate, we will replace I by minus I. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Like a bit.
1 minute shut down one point. Done. Sir.
Okay. Now just we'll separate real and imaginary part. Simplification I will left it. Just I wrote this question just to tell you कि everywhere formula doesn't work. This into this. Cos square theta plus 1 minus 2 cos square theta. This will be how much? This into this cos square theta, real part, cos square theta plus 1. Now this into minus this, so minus cos theta into cos theta plus I sin theta. I sin theta will get cancelled. This into this minus cos square theta, and this into this minus cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta. Once you check the calculation, is it correct? I'll show you. This into this cos square theta plus 1 minus cos theta to e to the power I theta minus cos theta or minus I theta. So obviously imaginary part will get cancelled. Here
Yes, sir.
cos theta plus I sin theta, cos theta minus I sin theta, minus 2 cos square theta. Okay. Now this part cos square theta e to the power n I theta minus 1 into cos square theta minus cos theta to the power I theta. Okay. Now we will take remainder part is sin square theta. We will take imaginary part of this. Before that, we have to multiply. So this into this will be here. Imaginary part will be this into this. Into this. Imaginary part of Z is S equal to. Remainder part is sin square theta. Middle part cos n plus 2 theta into sin n theta. This into this into this over. Now cos n plus 1 theta minus cos n plus 1 theta into sin n plus 1 theta. minus cos theta sin theta. Okay, this is S, sum of this series. Multiply and take the imaginary part. Further, we can simplify this. You can take here common sin cos n plus 1. Theta or you can expand it sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. After that, you can simplify. Just I'm telling you, if we move, just modify the question a little, we can use the basic method. Once you check the calculation, is it correct? Here, I think minus minus plus cos theta sin theta. It was there only 4 terms. Cos n plus 1 theta sin n theta, correct? Minus cos n plus 1 theta into plus 1 sin n plus 1 theta. Minus cos square theta, that is real, plus cos theta sin theta. ठीक है. Further, we can simplify it. Just leave it here. Okay. Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir. If 1, alpha 1, alpha 2, n minus 1 are n and the source of unit. Then find the value of first bit.
Saidur Rahman,
Yes, sir.
you joined now.
No, sir, I had some technical problem in my laptop, so I was unable to join. Now I have joined, sir.
Now, these are the common question. Like we have discussed that if 1 omega square are cube roots of unity, then we can write it as z cube minus 1 equals z minus 1 into z minus omega into z minus omega square. And then we can prove this is an identity. We can prove anything. I think we have taken z equal to 2, 3, 4 up to n, and we have added. Okay. So if 1, alpha 1, alpha 2 up to alpha n minus 1 are n roots of unity, then we can write it as x to the power n minus 1 equals x minus 1 into x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2 to x minus alpha n minus 1. Okay. Now we want x equal to 1, but if you put x equal to 1 here, that side will be 0, it will vanish. So we don't want this term. Sending this term left hand side. Minus 1 by x minus 1. X minus alpha 1 into x minus alpha 2 to x minus alpha n minus 1. Now we can take limit x tends to 1.
Yes, sir.
See, depending on what we want to prove, sometimes we have to take log, sometimes we need to differentiate after taking log, depending on what we want to find, which value we want to find. But this is the basic identity. Okay? If n roots of unity is given, this is the basic identity. Taking limit x tends to 1. We can put the value right side directly, 1 minus alpha 1, left hand side 0 by 0, L'Hopital rule, n into x to the power n minus 1 by 1. So left hand side is n. Left hand side will be n or not?
Yes, sir. And
Right side just directly put the value. 1 minus alpha 1 into 1 minus alpha 2, 1 minus alpha n minus 1. Okay. Suppose sometimes 1 by this plus 1 by this. In that case, first we have to take log, then differentiate, depending on what we want to find. This is the basic identity. Now, this second bit, just first question today we have discussed. Zk 1 minus Zk mode of 1 minus. Let's see it. Today's first question. Just think of this question. Just today we have discussed only the very first question. See, from this identity we can prove this one. Taking mode both sides, it will be mode of this, and 1 minus Zk will be how much? Sin k by 2 into sin k pi by n, I think. Shoaib,
Yes, sir.
it will be similar to the first question or not?
Sir, only 1 minus alpha and
1 minus alpha?
similar only, sir. Alpha n.
Yes. There it is Zk, there it was Zk, here it is alpha n. You can take alpha k.
So one doubt, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, here 1 minus alpha n also there, no, sir?
1 minus alpha, n minus 1 is there.
In the question,
In the question,
1 minus alpha, sir, down, sir. First bit that question.
I have written here wrong. It is 1 minus alpha. 1 minus alpha, n minus 1. After that, it is correct. It is up to only 1 minus alpha, n minus 1. Alpha n will be how much? 1. The whole thing becomes 0.
Yes, sir.
Alpha n is 1. Just think of the second one. See, basically alpha k is how much? Cos 2k pi by n. So it's I sin 2k pi by n. If you put k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, you will get these values. This is general and then source of unity. Now 1 minus alpha k, simplify it. 2 sin square k pi by n plus 2i sin k pi by n cos k pi by n. Mode of 1 minus alpha k. 2 sin k pi by n outside. This angle is k is 1 to n minus 1. So angle is in between 0 to pi. So this will be positive. If you take outside mode, sin k pi by n plus I cos k pi by n. Basically, what is alpha 1? Alpha 1 is cos 2 pi by n plus I sin 2 pi by n, and then the source of unity. Alpha 2 will be cos 4 pi by n plus I sin 4 pi by n. Okay. Now, what is magnitude of this complex number? 1. Sin theta plus I cos theta, magnitude modulus is 1.
1.
Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So, mode of 1 minus alpha k equals 2 sin k pi by n. Now, we have taking mode. This is 1. We have the identity 1 minus alpha 1 into 1 minus alpha 2 to 1 minus alpha n minus 1. equals L. Here identity. All are constants. Taking modulus both sides. Equals N. That side will remain same. Now what is mode of 1 minus alpha 1? Put k equal to 1. How many terms will be there here? How many terms are multiplied here?
N minus 1.
N minus 1. So 2 will appear n minus 1 times. And all the angles are in between 0 to pi. So sin theta will be positive. Sin of k pi by n is positive. Basically, you need to take this one only. Since this is positive, k going from 1 to n minus 1. So angle is in between 0 to pi. So it will be k. Just can write it sin k pi by n. Because k pi by n is in between 0 to pi. So this will be sin, put k equal to 1, sin pi by n into sin 2 pi by n to sin n minus 1 into pi by n equals n. We got the value. He is asking this value. So this will be n by 2 to the power n minus 1.
Sir, one doubt, sir. The 2 sine square k pi by n minus 2i sine minus 10, sir. The second step. Two sine square k pi by n minus 2i sine. Okay.
Here it will be plus, here it is, I think, minus. Just wait.
Yes, sir.
See, 1 minus this. 1 is cos theta is 2 sin square
Theta.
theta by 2 minus 2i. Here it will be minus. Wait, I think you're right. Here minus. Magnitude will remain same.
Yes.
Other things are same. So this is n by 2 to the power n minus 1. 1 minus alpha k. 1 minus this minus this. 1 minus cos 2 theta 2 sin square theta minus 2i sin. Other things are same. Yes, right, right. So we got this value, sin pi by n, sin 2 pi by n. So now, same question. Shall I rub it? I'm writing the third bit of the same one.
Yes.
Same question. They can give if A1, A2, A3 to AN are vertices of
are regular polygon. Described in a unit circle centered at origin. Centered at origin. Then A1, A2 into A1, A3 to A1, A4, A1, AM, A1, A equals how much?
Just compare this with this one. See, A1, A2, A1, A2, A3, AN are vertices of regular polygon. So if you take this unit circle, okay, this is 1, A1. This is A2, e to the power 2 pi I by n. Construct the regular polygon. This is A3, e to the power 4 pi I by n. Will it be like that? If I assume A1 is 1, 0, regular polygon. This will be regular polygon like that. So these are vertices of, basically these are NNS roots of unity, vertices of NNS roots of unity.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this quantity is nothing but this one. AN will be AN, that is e to the power 2 into n minus 1 into pi I by. So this quantity is nothing but A1, A2. Mode of this 1 minus e to the power 2 pi I by n. Is this one, second quantity is this one, like that, in minus 1 term. So this value will be how much? Now tell me. This value will be how much? अभी तक नहीं हुआ. Shoaib,
Yes, sir.
his value is how much? Is there any difference between this quantity and this quantity? Just tell me. This is basically distance from 1 to the vertex A1. What is the meaning of mode of Z1 minus Z2? What is the meaning of mode of Z1 minus Z2? Distance from the complex number Z1 to
Z2.
Z2. The very beginning I told you. So this is A1, This is A2. This is distance from this
A1
complex
to
number to this complex number. So this quantity is exactly equal to how much?
A1, A2.
A1, A2. Or is there any difference?
No.
And this one is exactly equal to second one. So this value should be how much?
N.
And any doubt? Kasim,
No doubts.
or it's not clear?
Clear, sir.
Junaid? Irshad?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or any doubt? Shall I explain it in different way?
No doubt, sir.
Irshad? Irshad or Arshad Ali? Arshad Ali. Arshad Ali, you are in the class or you are moving somewhere? Just you think of it. If any doubt, I will explain it in different way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I disconnect now?
Yes, sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.